Now that the VPS is set up, and you're in the hosting or VPS dashboard, this is where we actually turn the VPS into a working n8n dashboard by setting up your n8n account. To open n8n, click Manage App over on the right. This is the n8n setup page. Go ahead and enter your email, your name, and a password. Once you've entered all your info, click Next to continue. Here you may see a few questions that help n8n customize your experience. For now, I'll just click Get Started. Next, you'll see a pop-up that says you can get paid features for free. Here, you want to make sure your email is correct, then click Send me a free license key. To find that email, open your email inbox in a new tab. Once you find it, click it to open, then click Activate License Key. And down in the bottom right, you should get a pop-up confirmation. At this point, you can close this tab and navigate back to the original n8n one. You can close this since we've already activated our license. And at this point, n8n is installed and ready to go.